Hi, this is Ryan Williams, and as promised, I'm providing some information about this Ultimate Solo 401k that I mentioned in last week's Investment of the Week. I like this opportunity because it affords for those of us that have money in IRA or 401k retirement accounts that don't like the performance that we're seeing in that account, um, but don't have, but would rather use those funds than either our savings or reserves that we have or cash reserves set aside for investing. That's exactly what this particular product affords. Essentially, what you do is you would transfer money from your 401k or IRA account, your retirement account, into this checking account that they would set up, and they would set up as a trust. You would be the trustee, and then you have ultimate control over where that money goes. It could go right back into the stock market if that's where you wanted it to go. Gold and silver, real estate, etc., business proposition or opportunity. There's numerous places it can go. My discussion today is going to be real estate specific, obviously, because that's my expertise. But that's also what I've checked into, both from the company that provides us Broad Financial, and with my accountant to learn and discover any tax consequences or benefit. So let's throw just a quick example. If last week's condo was $40,000 and we knew we needed $45,000 for closing costs, renovations, and the purchase, I would be able to transfer $45,000 for my 401k into this account. I would take that money and I would then use that money to purchase the property. Because I own it outright and I've paid the entire amount out of those retirement funds, there wouldn't be a double taxation when it comes time to sell. I would be able to then just watch that account grow at the percentage. That property was 10.4%. I'd be able to watch that grow at that percent. Now, for those of us that are seeing 2 and 3 and 4, whatever percent return we are in our retirement accounts, that's a pretty nice opportunity to be able to do, especially if you can own the property outright. If you only have enough to use as a down payment, that's also an option. But then there's some potential double taxation. Again, don't trust me on that. I'm not the expert with tax, but you'd want to talk to your accountant about it. Ultimately, it's a great opportunity to self-direct and take a little bit more active or ownership to your investments. I have attached the information. The company's called Broad Financial. You'll want to talk to Gary. That's who I've had more discussion with, and he's the most savvy of those that I've talked to at Broad Financial. There is a setup fee. I think it's $1,200 or $1,300 for the setup, and then $100 or so a year. But again, if you're looking for an opportunity to use those retirement funds and have more control over them, and certainly want to get into real estate specifically, at least from my perspective, this is a good opportunity and worth checking into. Hope this is helpful, and have a great day.